Does a woman need to make up her fasts up due to periods first, or can she do her Shawwal fast first, then her missed ones? Okay, this is a good question. If a sister missed, how many days of Shawwal do we normally fast? 6 days. If you subtract, let's say the month is 30 days. If you subtract 6 from 30, you're left with what? 24, right? If you have more than 24 days outstanding from Ramadan, then what you should do is you can do the Shawwal first and then go to Ramadan. Does that make sense? If you have 25, let's say, you have 25 or 24, depending if the month is 30 or 29, sah? So 24 or 25 days of Ramadan is outstanding, you were sick, or more. Let's say you didn't fast the entire month because you were sick. And then half the 15th day of Shawwal, you felt better. You said, now I want to fast the 6 days of Shawwal because I can, I'm healthy now. Then we'll say to you, fast the 6 days of Shawwal first and then bring back Ramadan until next year of Ramadan. But let's say you missed only 4 days of Ramadan. You can, within the month of Shawwal, you can fast these 4 days and fast the 6 days. Sah? Can you not? So if you can do both, do both. Does that make sense? But if you've got too many days of Ramadan that you know you're going to miss Shawwal, then inshallah ta'ala you can fast Shawwal. So generally if a sister's on her menstruation, we're talking about 1 week maybe that she's missed. She can bring back that 1 week and do her Shawwal as well. If she says, I physically, after fasting those many days of Ramadan, I physically can't add a week and plus 6 days, it might be hard for me, then inshallah ta'ala, no problem. Bring back your Ramadan after Shawwal, and you can benefit from these 6 days of, because our mother Aisha, when she fasted her Ramadan on Shawwal, why am I saying Shawwal? Sha'ban. Our mother Aisha, when she used to bring back her fasting in Sha'ban, what does that mean? And we know that she was fasting the 6 days of Shawwal. What does that mean? She put the Shawwal before the what? The days of Ramadan she was missing. So it's allowed, but it's better to always put the wajib before the what? Sunnah.